I'm done.
Okay, Rakshita.
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing. Just a second. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, so let's move to the next problem. Three n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. So first step, we will be sending 3 which is in multiplication to other side, then it will come in division. So n minus 5 is equal to minus 7. So n is equal to minus 7 plus 5, or I can say n is equal to minus 2. So you have to follow the rules of transposition if there is nothing written. So that indicates it is in multiplication. So 3 moves to another side. Then it is in division. So minus 21 upon 3 is minus 7. Minus 5, if you transpose, it becomes plus 5. Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. So can we do to the next D part?
Yes, I'm done.
D part is minus 4. 2 plus x is equal to 8. So I will be sending minus 4 to another side. It is in multiplication, so it will come in division. So 2 plus x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 2 minus 2. So x is equal to minus 4.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So now I'm giving you both to try E part. 4, 2 minus x is equal to 8. So try it.
Ma'am, can Sunash tell the answer?
Yeah.
The answer is x is equals to 2.
X is equal to?
2. Ma'am, 2.
No, it is wrong. Rakshita, what is your answer? Samrat, check where you went wrong.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking. Ma'am, I think there are network issues here. Ma'am, were you saying something?
Speak again, Rakshita.
Ma'am, the answer will be 6.
It is incorrect. Samraj. Okay, so see here how to do. 2 minus x. I will be sending 4 to another side. It will be in division. So 2 minus x is equal to 2. Do you agree with this step? Now I am sending plus 2 to another side. Then it will be minus 2. So minus x is equal to 0, or you can say x is equal to 0.
Ma'am, I found out my mistake.
आपने इस स्टेप तक सही किया होगा. Is it Samraj?
मैम मैंने मैम उसमें मैम आपने मैम मुझे वो आगे मुझे लगा कि मैम वो माइनस होएगा मैम 8 माइनस 4 मैम मैं भूल गया था कि मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है वहाँ
ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है.
मैम आई डू इट
तो
अगेन
मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो डिवाइड होगा.
दिस वन
Ma'am, I got disconnected.
Okay, Rakshita.
मैम डन
Okay, so let's move to the next sum. Question number 3. 4 is equal to 5p minus 2. So when this 5 will change the side, it will come in division, because here it is in multiplication. So whenever it changes its side, it will come in division. Now minus 2 will change side, so it becomes plus 2. So now if you want to add this 2, you have to take the LCM as 5, and 5 has to be multiplied by 2. So you got P is equal to 14 upon 5.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
Ma'am, how ma'am it came, ma'am, 10 here, ma'am?
See, I have to take the LCM 4 by 5 plus 2. So 2 does not have any denominator. So what does it mean? It has 1. So I have taken LCM of 5 and 1 as 5.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now I got it. Ma'am, done.
What about Rakshita? Yes, Rakshita. Have you also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm telling you one important thing. This is your classwork. What it is, smaller circle is your classwork. So whatever you are doing, you have to put it on the group. Don't forget to put it on the group. Okay, once the class get over, put it on the group, classwork.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so let's meet tomorrow at 5:20 p.m. Have a nice time, both of